Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Handy mobile app works and whether it's worth using for booking home services like cleaning, handyman work, and repairs. Handy.com connects users with trusted professionals for various home services including cleaning, furniture assembly, plumbing, electrical work, and handyman tasks. The app allows users to browse service options, check provider profiles, read reviews, compare prices, and schedule appointments easily. A key benefit is the convenience of booking reliable professionals through one platform with upfront pricing and secure payment options. The app's interface is user-friendly and supports scheduling, rescheduling, and customer support. However, some users report inconsistent service quality depending on the provider and occasional scheduling or cancellation issues. Customer support responsiveness can also vary. Overall, Handy.com is a useful app for booking a range of home services with ease. It offers convenience and a wide selection of professionals but has some limitations to consider. If you have any questions or experiences with the Handy app, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.